I'm going to show you how to log in and use Google Meeting and take your scantron test at the same time. The first thing you need to do is go to the email that I sent you. It has your information for the Google Meet code. It's going to be a code that looks like this. Also, I sent you the information on the website for the scantron test and your site ID and your student ID. And you'll need that for your test. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, go to your email, find that Google Meet link, click on it, and you'll have a screen that looks like this where I am right now. Go ahead and turn your camera off, and you will need to go ahead and mute your microphone. All right, so then you click Join Now. Okay, so you're going to join, and you'll notice here's a chat box. You can ask me questions in the chat box, ask questions here. And then once you get joined into the meeting, I want you to go up here to the top, and you're going to open up a new tab. And then you will type in Performance Series.com, and it will take you to this link. You will go to Student Login. It will ask for your site ID, which is 62-5427-3527. Then you click Next, and then it will ask for your student ID. I sent each of you your student ID in your in the email. Okay, so once you get there, then go back to the Google Meet tab up here at the top, and you'll go down here to the bottom right, Present Now, your entire screen, and then you have to click in that little box, and it'll make a blue square, and then you'll click Share, and then that will share your screen with me so that I can proctor your exam. All right, at that time you'll then click back and go to the Performance Series tab and start your test. You will just have your microphone muted and your camera muted in the background, and I will be able to see your screen and proctor your exam while you test. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And then when you're finished with your test, you'll just come back to the Google Meet. You'll stop presenting, and then you can let me know that you are finished with your exam. You know, you can tell me that in a chat or whatever. And then if you have any questions, you can also ask me that during that time. Any questions about PLP, or if you have an access class, anything like that. All right. Thank you very much.